Hey, Wig, what's going on, bro? Just wanted to send you this quick video. I normally send these to clients that I'm trying to get to do business with me. And what I do is I just record this video and just show them exactly what's going on in their niche, especially in the search engines. I've done this with, some fitness centers here in Lexington, Louisville, and some concrete pavers, whoever I'm trying to do business with. So in this video, I'm just going to go through a couple key things that I saw when looking up small engine repair in Lexington. All right, so the first thing I did was I just typed in small engine repair, Lexington, Kentucky, and the first thing that popped up is Fayette moped, lawnmower repair, BC small engines, Fuller repair shop, right? But the thing with these three is only one of these has a website. This BC small engine doesn't have a website. Fuller saw shop, or excuse me, Fayette moped and lawnmower repair doesn't have a website. So if you come over here and click them, you can see BC Small Engines, directions, save, no website. Fuller Saw Shop, though, you come over here, you got website directions and be able to save it. So those are the two things. So the top three, and this is really prime real estate right here. When you're researching something or searching something, as a business owner, you want to be in this top spot right here. This is prime real estate. And then you want to be able to come down here and be able to get the top organic listing. But you see, Angie's List is the number one right up here. But most people, especially if they're looking for it on their phone, are gonna click these top three, and then if nothing happens with these top three, then go down right here. So the only thing with this is that these rotate all the time. And it's not because of, Google trying to give everybody preference. It's just, some websites and some companies, they just constantly move around. So these rotate all the time. But if you're an excellent company in your space, you'll be able to keep this top spot right here. One of the things is reviews. So Google loves when you use their service. So when you get your uncle's small engine repair shop going, definitely want to get a Google My Business account. It's free, but this is how you're able to get this right here. Be able to get people to put in reviews, put in information, open, close date, pictures of employees, all that and all that. And that's something I also want to do with Urban Cuts. So take this video and show it to Paul. And if you want, I'll do another video for barbershops in Lexington also. So you come down here and look at the organic listings. Angie's List is the top one, and Google doesn't like this. Google is putting it up here because it seems to be where the most information is for small engine repair and lawnmower repair, but Google would rather put a local business. The BC Small Engine Repair, so these guys right here, they don't have a website, but their Facebook page is on here, but for some reason it's showing landscaping company for what they do. So yeah, automotive repair, bed and breakfast, landscape company. So it looks like they're doing they're doing a bit of everything. So they're not really centrally focused. And you got yellow pages, Yelp, super pages. But then you come down here and then you got centralequipment.com and Lex Outdoor Power. But the good thing about this is they're not up here. So a niche is saturated and it's going to be hard to penetrate is if these top three companies here, the companies that are taking up the top three spots right here, also have their websites organically listed on page one. So these guys aren't on page one, but that's specifically for small engine repair. I'm sure if you typed in lawnmower repair, they'll be at the top spot. But the thing is, if you do small engine repair, you can build a website with keywords for lawnmower repair, small engine repair, steel equipment, and other keywords that will be able to find when doing some keyword research. So the only company that has a website in the top three is Fuller Saw Shop, and this is what their website looks like. And it's not even their website, it's a business site. So it's a business site that's built by Google that gives them free domain hosting, but they really don't have much control over their back end metrics, right? So it just gives primary information, but their SEO is very, very weak. You can get a quote, call now, get directions, And there's a lot of things with this website that's just absolutely, substandard. And if I have this tool called Majestic, and with this tool called Majestic, you can put in a website's URL and see their backend metrics. So hold on a second. Let me pause this and put in a different website. So I grabbed the website from a niche I was looking up. This APTS Inc. This is a tree service in Lexington, I believe. Yeah, it's a tree service in Lexington. So I grabbed their website, and you put your website URL in here, and this website Majestic goes and finds the backend metrics. So it finds your trust flow. The higher the trust flow, the better ranked your website will be. Citation flow, the higher this is, the better ranked your website will be also. And the way to do this is to get referring domains. So the more websites that are directing traffic to your website, especially if the website is a very trusted website, this trust flow will go up, and then Google will start ranking your business higher and higher. So these guys were on the first page of Google when you typed in tree service in Lexington, but they only have 2 referring domains, a trust flow of 6, and they're making it on the first page, which shows that the competition isn't really doing much. But I guess when the business is limited, they don't really have to. You know what I mean? So if you come here and type in the Fuller Saw Shop's business site, they don't even have any sort of referring domains. There's no summary, there's no referring domains, because they're using a business site and didn't bother to just spend the money and purchase a legitimate domain, which they will then own, right? So they're not doing anything really noteworthy here. And then, the reason why these guys are, at the top is because they have a Facebook page, and Facebook has very, very, very good metrics. Hold on a second. So if we go to facebook.com, come over here, put it in, and then press search, you're going to see Facebook is at a 99 trust flow and a 99 citation flow with 5 billion backlinks. So Facebook obviously is the most trusted. That's why, it's gonna be up there for trust and citation, because everyone's using it, everyone trusts it for the most part anyway. So that's why, you really want this as high as humanly possible for your site to start ranking #1. So let's get out of here. But that's why these guys are, able to get up here, because of their Facebook page. These guys are really competing because these are really lawnmower maintenance guys that come to you. And I think that's something your uncle could do, is go to the client rather than, and also have the little garage set up, kind of like a mobile mechanic, but it'll be easier since it's small engine repair. But you'd be able to outrank these guys because they don't have any content on the front page, and they're doing financing, factory promotions. It really looks like they're just doing sales, but they also do some maintenance at the same time. But if you get this set up properly, your uncle can strictly focus on small engine repair and maintenance and be able to take over all the Google listings. And then if someone just types in lawnmower service or lawnmower repair, you'll definitely pop up here and take over the Angie's List top spot. There's other things I can show you in terms of how to get the website ranked #1, but those are the top 3. It's just getting your own domain, making sure you get these back-end metrics as high as you possibly can, and also getting some content on your front page. Like these guys have almost no content. These guys pretty much just some reviews so people can trust them. But if nobody sees your website, who's going to trust you? Especially when you see stuff like this. It's really hard to think a company's professional when you don't really see that their website is professional looking. Anyway, just wanted to send you this real quick. Take a look at it. Let me know what you think. Because he can definitely be able to get a big pie of the small engine repair niche in Lexington, and then be able to expand out to Nicholasville, Richmond, wherever, especially if you start doing a mobile shop. But that's something you can definitely do down the line. But focusing on Lexington first, taking over Lexington, is the key to being able to expand and get this bigger and bigger. Hope you liked the video. I'll holler at you soon.